gizzard ana.
We gizzard.
Ene wanya na twinam.
Ene dabi. Ye aponchine gizzard.
Oh, sir. Welcome, my cherished viewers. Today I'm taking you to this place where barbecue or Kyikyinga, as we call it locally here in Ghana, is made. So this is Michael Anaf, and what he does is he sells kebabs to we Ghanaians over here. If you're a foreigner, you visit, he will sell to you. Not that he sells to the Ghanaians. So he tells me he buys the meat from the cold store and he comes to grill it. Then after grilling, when it gets finished, he goes back to the cold store to go and buy for grilling again until evening time when he will close and go home. He grills not only the goat meat, but he grills also sausages and gizzard. And it's simple, easy work that anyone can do here in Ghana. In one of my videos, I'll be talking about the easiest jobs that you can do here in Ghana to earn you some money. So keep watching this channel and please subscribe, like and comment. So he has sold to the customer and he's giving the customer his change. Some time back, this sausage used to cost 3 Ghana cedis, but currently it's 6 Ghana cedis, which is also still affordable. So he puts the meat on the fire, this fresh that he's putting on fire, in about 5 to some 6 minutes it gets cooked, and then he removes it and he sells it. I like buying my meat from this particular guy because he buys his meat straight from the cold store, which I know he buys from the cold store. There are other guys who also sell by the roadside, and theirs is meat that they cut, which I cannot tell the source of the meat or which particular meat it is, whether it's goat or dog or any other. And since you don't know the source, you can't tell if it is dog because most of us don't eat dog. But in areas where dog is a delicacy, that wouldn't be a problem. So let's just enjoy whilst he grills his meat. When you answer your one day, when you answer your one day, oh, that is after that, when you're fresh, you're not to when you have been there was having a bit brown. There doesn't mean it's one of a beer. I say I ain't get a grand. A beer, I will say more than I ain't get. Into a baby, how many minutes now being? Every 5 minutes equal. To me, hey, Abby. Hey, you're fast connection. Really, I mean, I'm to talk about shooting now.
Oman 107.1 FM live.
Wait, that's ice cream.
Ice cream.
I know she is that.
That we know your punch now.
Okay.
You see Antina.
Online FM 107.1 Life Back. The Big 8 Dance Man.